In this series, we'll be learning about a new JavaScript framework called Moon.js. It's a minimalistic JavaScript library for building fast functional user interfaces. As you can see over here on the page, moonjs.org, it has got this functional and declarative approach. So web applications are treated as functions that take driver inputs and return driver outputs. Similarly, if you see its file size is pretty small, that's 2 KB compared to React and Vue. So modern web frameworks often add a lot of weight to JavaScript bundles, whereas this Moon.js has a very small footprint. If you compare it with other libraries, you'll find that Moon.js is somewhat similar to Vue, as it embodies the component-driven design approach and uses templates to create components. So small footprint is one of the advantages of why we should be using Moon.js. Other than that, it has got fast rendering performance, and it is purely functional and has a driver-based design as mentioned over here. Now, in order to work with Moon.js, what we can do is open up terminal in Visual Studio Code, and here we can go ahead and install Moon CLI using the command npm I, then moon-cli, and we can install it at global level. Once this gets done, then we can go ahead and create the project using moon command, create, and then the name of the app. Let's call it as app.prj and press enter. So you can see we have this directory created now, app.prj. There's nothing else in that directory. Let's go inside that directory first. So we'll say cd app.prj. Once we are inside that directory, the next thing that we need to do is install Moon View language. So we'll say npm install moon, press enter. Now before doing this, I would recommend to create a package.json file. So let's go ahead and do that, npm init, and let's stick to defaults now. And once we have our package.json file, the next thing that we need to do is say npm install moon. So this is the Moon View language that we are installing, and after that we'll be also installing the Moon compiler. So we'll say npm install Moon compiler, press enter. So now we have seen that how to install Moon CLI and Moon View language. Along with that, we have also seen how to install Moon compiler. On the next one, we'll take a look at how we can give shape to this project that we have created, how we can create files and JavaScript files to run this application. That will be coming up in the next lecture.